Now, normally I tend to stay away from products with anime goes on them, because I'm not that desperate, at least not yet. But when Akko sent over the MOD68 HE keyboard, I just have to see what the deal is about. So let's have a look at what exactly awaits us inside. It is a 65% keyboard, hence as you can see it's a rather on the small side. However, despite its size, it's still pretty heavy. As for kind of most of the keyboards we've covered before, it is extremely solidly built despite its small size.